Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the pound yen advanced last week and did close above 124.48 just, its monthly resistance, the January high. That's the level to watch at the start of the week. Does 124.48 hold as support for a movement higher this week? Can we challenge last week's high and move above 125.06? Now if we can't hold above 124.48, expect that then to be resistance on any retest for a move back down towards weekly support at 123.37. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.